Hi everyone, this is Nancy Ellen with the Crafty Yarn Barn. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet two together stitch. A great stitch to know whenever you're needing to decrease your pattern. Basically eliminating one of the stitches in the previous row. So as you're making your row, you're decreasing, transforming two stitches into one. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do that. The double crochet two together. So you're going to yarn over and you're going to put your hook through the next stitch on your row beneath. Yarn over and pull that yarn through, giving you 3 loops of yarn on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Then you're going to yarn over and go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through. You're going to yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops of yarn on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops of yarn. That creates 1 stitch, eliminating one of those below. Let's do that one more time so that you can understand the mechanics of it. Let's go ahead and yarn over and put our hook through the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through. You're going to yarn over and pull that loop of yarn through the first 2 on your hook, leaving only 2 loops of yarn left. Now you're going to go into the next stitch and start that double crochet. So yarn over, put it through that stitch, yarn over and pull it through, and you're going to yarn over and pull it through both of the first 2 loops of yarn on your hook, leaving 3 left. Now you're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops of yarn on your hook. And as you see, you had 2 stitches below. You combine them together on that row, eliminating one of those and making 1 stitch. Great way for decreasing your pattern. I'm going to do it one more time before we end the video so that you know how to make the stitch, and I'm going to do it very slow. You're going to yarn over and put it through the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through just like you were making a double crochet. You're going to yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops of yarn on your hook, leaving 2 left. Instead of finishing off that double crochet, we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over and put it right in the top of the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through. Then we're going to yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops of yarn on our hook. That leaves 3 loops of yarn left. 1 from that first stitch, 1 from the second that we just did, and 1 of the stitch that we're trying to combine, the last stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops of those yarn that's on our hook. And that is a double crochet 2 together stitch. Thanks for tuning in to the Crafty Yarn Barn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and select that bell notification so that every time we make a video, you get notified. And check out that comment section down below. I have a link there to our Crafty Yarn Barn Facebook group where you can post pictures of your projects. We would love to see the projects that you have on your hook. Have a great day. God bless, and see you next time.